there seems to be a lot of confusion between a money generating blog and a portfolio website. Have no confusion, both of these are better off on a self-hosted website, but a portfolio website is your digital business card, if you will. So basically, this is something that a potential employer or client may want to have a look at if they want to see what it's like to work with you or view your best samples anytime they want to. It is a great way to make a good first impression and stand out from the crowd. A blog, on the other hand, is a digital space where you go to showcase your writing skills to land quality gigs or rank on Google search result pages by writing about trending topics and generate traffic and money. And even within your own portfolio website, you can have blog posts, and I recommend that you do, but make sure that none of the content is overly personal or contains any sort of controversial topics. Basically, every chance that you get on your portfolio site, you use it to prove to the client or the employer that you are the best pick for this job or this gig. This is another common misconception out there, that once a portfolio website is up, you're just gonna magically find all the employers and clients being drawn to you. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Creating the portfolio website is just one part of the process. The other part is you actively promoting it. One really good way to promote your website is by creating regular content and passing on the URLs of your blog posts across your social media platforms or email newsletters. This is a great way to show your potential clients your expertise in the subject area and in a non-pitchy, non-salesy kind of way. I would generally advise you guys to not be all over the place and promote your website to people who may not be your potential clients. Put some serious thought into what domain name you want. Okay, so you can have either A, your name, or B, a theme that is closely related to your personal brand, or C, the kind of services you're offering for your clients. Every piece of content that you're putting into every single page has to have a clear CTA that will help you get closer to whatever goals you have for your website. You have only your best samples out there listed in your portfolio. And many times we get this question, hey, you know what? One of the best samples I worked on was from years and years ago. You know what? Sure, go ahead and put that in your portfolio, but also put in your latest work samples as well. If you are a mid-level or a beginning level freelancer or a professional in the digital marketing space just looking to create a website for your personal brand, I wouldn't advise you to go for the premium plugins. Just make sure you customize it so that it doesn't look like everyone else out there who's using that very plugin. I strongly advise you guys not to outsource designing your website, simply because A, it's good to improve and learn new skills, and B, tools like WordPress make it super easy for you to design your own site. And as promised, I'm going to drop a link to the bonus cheat sheet, so feel free to grab your downloadable copy from the video description below. And see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.